Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python comments. So let's see what is it. Python can be used to explain Python codes. So it will help you to explain what are the kind of codes you are going to write. So comments can be used to make the code more readable. So comment will help you to know that what kind of code you are going to write. Like if you're writing x is equal to 5, then it will be able to understand that the value of the x variable is equal to 5. So that's how you can do it. That's what I said, that the Python explains the Python code. So what happening, the next thing we are having is comments can be used to prevent execution when the testing code. So it will help you the execution when you are going to testing code. So how can you create a comment? In that case, what happened? Comment starts with the hash. On screen you can see that it starts with the hash, as I mentioned in the line, and Python will ignore them. So Python's output will ignore them in that case. So this is the comment. Now on screen you can see that I have mentioned print hello world. So comment can be placed at the end of the line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. So here one more example is mentioned, that is print hello world, and this is a comment. So these are the two kinds of method you can write. One more example I have written, this is a comment, write in comment and more than just one line. So if you're writing like this, it will ignore the other lines also. So that's how you can write. There is another way to write it, that is double quotation. It will help you to write it in the form of comment. So these are the way you can write the comment in your form. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.